Hey, welcome to the garage. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you something I made today that is going to really help your life, especially if you're a guy who works on his own bikes and stuff like I do. And in the background, you can see my Husky sitting there, and it needs a new front tire. So what am I going to do? Am I going to it's cold, it's not very good, it's winter time, tires aren't very soft. So it's going to be a little difficult. But I saw something on the internet the other day that I really liked. Now, it was a tire changer that stood up in the middle of your floor. It had big feet on it. It was kind of a big, bulky thing. It looked kind of kind of heavy. But I thought, can I make something like that and maybe even make it better? Well, that's what I've got right here. Basically, it's just a pipe, a 50 millimeter pipe. You can see, hollow, nothing in there. And I made a little plate for it that I just, with my little welder, just welded it on there. If you got a little stick welder or a MIG welder or something, works fine. Then on top, I've got a piece for the axle. And you could make different size ones so that could be replaced. This would fit most of my bikes except for I've got a little Honda that's got really small axles on it. It's the XR100. And then just a little gasket on there to keep the the rim from getting scratched or anything like that. And it's not really necessary, but you know, might help a little bit. Okay, so what do I do with it? It doesn't have any feet on it, as you can see. So what I did is you can see down here, I drilled a hole in the floor. And now I can just basically pop that in there and I'm ready to go. I put my tire on here, I can take it off, I can spin it around. It's pretty solid. It moves a little bit, but not too bad. And then when I'm not using it, it's not in the way and it doesn't have any big feet. It's very easy to store. I can take a little plug that I made out of metal. Just, again, real simple, real fast. And I can just pop that in the hole. That way no dirt goes in there, nothing falls in there. So I am going to change the tire on the front of this Husky now. See how it works. So stay with me. Okay, here we go. As we say, where the rubber meets the road. We got our hole, we got our changer, and I need a rim. I got a rim that needs a new front tire. This is actually the stock original tire for my Husky, but you can see it's getting down pretty low there. So, and I had a good buddy of mine give me a new tire, so I'm going to try to put that on. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I got the little plug out of there. Pop that in. Pretty straightforward. It's my first time trying this though, so gotta understand I don't really know how this is gonna work. So let's go ahead and see if we can slide that on there. Oh, yes. Well, good so far. Put my little rubber gasket in there. Keeping that, but it's still got the these babies on there too, so that kind of gives it a good smooth turn. Okay, so I got it all set up here. Just got to get the air out of the tire and get going. There we go. So I get that first part. The thing about this is it's right up where I can work on it. If I'm doing it on the bench or doing it down on a bucket, I'm on my knees. I'm getting pain in my knees. This is like so nice. Holding it up. Gosh. Okay. So that's like that. Just getting my rim lock set here. Make sure my tire's in between that. Once you got that on there, that's half the battle. It wasn't connected to the floor. It'd be moving all over the place. Just gonna put that in right here, because I've got a lot on there, and this is gonna be the hardest part over here. Slide that around a little bit. Well, that's it. It's back on there. I just gotta bump it up now, and make sure I didn't pinch the inner tube, and good. That was probably the easiest tire change I ever had in these kind of conditions, and fingers aren't sore, my knees don't hurt. I like it. So I recommend making one. You saw how I made it? Just a piece of pipe. It's a 50mm pipe, whatever that comes out to in inches, I don't know. And you slide your tire right off and on there. Even can make a different size. I thought about making actually some sleeves for this, for different size ones, and then it wouldn't move around quite as much. Yeah, that's it. Be blessed.